Available in 22 kg sacks, Stopgap 1100 is calcium sulphate based, making it the ideal solution for smoothing existing sound calcium sulphate screeds, commonly referred to as anhydrite, semihydrite or hemihydrite, in many new build or refurbishment projects. Supplied as light-coloured pre-blended dry powder, Stopgap 1100 may also be used over a wide range of subfloor types, such as waterproof surface membranes, sand, cement screeds, and suitably prepared non-absorbent surfaces. It has excellent self-leveling properties and can be used in biologically sensitive areas. It is essential to prime all surfaces. Due to the high porosity of calcium-based screeds, 2 coats of Stopgap P121 primer must be applied. The first coat, diluted 1 part primer to 1 part water, should be allowed to fully dry, and then overcoated with a second coat of neat P121. For all other absorbent surfaces, apply dilute P131 primer. Non-absorbent surfaces can be primed with neat P131. Pour 5.5 litres of clean water into a Stopgap mixing bucket and gradually add the 22 kg bag of powder whilst stirring with a power whisk fitted in an electric drill until a smooth, creamy and lump-free consistency is achieved. The material should be mixed for a minimum of 2 minutes. Do not exceed 5.75 litres of water. Pour the mixed material onto the prepared and primed subfloor and allow to flow and attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a smoothing trowel is required. The mixed material can be applied at between 2 mm and 10 mm thickness. For optimum smoothing and leveling, a minimum of 3 mm thickness should be applied. The use of a spiked roller is recommended to eliminate trapped air and smooth out flow lines to give a more uniform appearance.